Can you lie next to her and give her your heart as well as your body? Can you lie next to her and confess your love as well as your body? Can you kneel for us and say, I'm clean, but tell me now where are my faults in loving you with my whole heart? Oh, tell me now.